I graduated in 2011 with an electrical engineering degree. And I started working at first as a training engineer, then became a project engineer, and later on climbed the corporate ladder, become a project manager. But I'll tell you one thing, I was working so hard, 6 days a week, working long hours. Although yes, I was getting a good paycheck at the end of the month, I felt tired, exhausted. I didn't spend enough time with my wife. I didn't spend much time with my children, and they were growing. And at one point I had to make a choice. And one of it is starting my own business. I'm going to share with you businesses that are not going to be replaced by AI, and they're also recession-proof. And I'm going to start with a business that I currently own, and that is an exterior cleaning business, and it involves pressure washing. My name is Davis, and I'm an owner of an exterior cleaning business, and we do clean driveways, patios, decks, gutters, walls, and we are adding roof cleaning and window cleaning as a service. Excuse me. So here are the businesses that you can start that will not be replaced by AI, and they are recession proof. And the first one is pressure washing. Pressure washing is pretty much cleaning people's driveways, gutters, driveways. You're cleaning their decks, cleaning walls using soft washing. And you can use the same machine to clean the roof. You don't need much to start. You just need to get the right pressure washer that has a good flow of water. Don't go for the PSI of the machine. You go for liters per minute that machine puts out. And the more output, the better the machine, because it will save you on time when you're doing a job. And then you get a surface cleaner. Also, it helps you to cut on the time you do the job. Lances, a bucket, or a tank where you can have water, because the machine will be demanding water from you. So you have way to put water to do the job. Offer free services in the beginning, especially in the beginning. Offer free services to your family members, to your friends, to people that you know, and in exchange ask them to give you reviews, to comment on your Instagram post. That is, once you're doing their jobs, those jobs, make sure that you take some videos, take some pictures of the before and the after. If you get at least 30 reviews, you're in business, my friend. So consider, if you're looking for how you're not replaced by AI, pressure washing is one of the businesses that you could consider. The other business that you could consider is window cleaning. We look down on such businesses. We think, such businesses are for people that have not gone to school, but yet these are businesses that are simple to start, but yet they have a good return on investment. They have good revenue. They have good cash flow. Window cleaning has a good cash flow. It is predictable because you can have a certain number of clients where you go and provide that service every fortnight, and you get money every time you go and do such jobs. So consider starting a window cleaning. You don't need much to start window cleaning. You need a squeegee, you need a sponge, soap, and a rag, and a willingness to go and knock on doors. That is it. If you do a good job, that customer is going to recommend you to another person. And remember, as long as people recommend you to other people are going to be calling you. You need to do a good job, though, to be able to get people talking about you, recommending you to other people. Another simple business, yet we underlook, especially when you're coming from a corporate world or you're in a corporate world. How can I start a car detailing business, cleaning cars for people? But yet it pays money. These are recession-proof businesses, But yet, we look down on them as if, they are, But think about it. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. These are recession-proof businesses that will really look down on them, but yet they make money. They make money for those that are in such businesses. You understand? So just buy a few items to start a car detailing business. You can just start with, of course, a small squeegee, a sponge, soap, and then you start. And if you have a car of your own, you can make it mobile. You can come up with a mobile car cleaning business where you go to customers' houses. That's convenience for the customer, that the customer doesn't have to drive to a car washing place. So they just call you, and then you go to their houses and you clean their car outside and inside. Make sure you take videos when you're doing such jobs. You show the car how it is. You show what you're doing. It looks even pretty when you're cleaning those cars. Those videos look good, and people appreciate their, watching such videos. So you record those videos and then post them on Instagram. And ask your customers if you could tag them on Instagram and ask them to leave a comment, right? And this is how you build that reputation. You build that credibility of doing such jobs. You're building this credibility, and before you know it, you have jobs piling up, and then you can decide if you want to take on employees and all of that. These are all recession-proof jobs, and jobs that are not going to be replaced by AI. AI is not going to be driving a car to go to people's houses and start washing cars. Humans are going to do that. People still need human connection. Yes, AI is here. Robots are all over the place, but people still need that human connection. They don't want to talk to a robot. Another recession-proof business that you can start that cannot be replaced by AI is painting houses. Painting houses. It is simple as that. You get paint, you get the right equipment, a good painting roll, a brush, some buckets. And if you have to go up, maybe a ladder, and then you paint houses, my friend. That is how you grow. Remember, in all of this, recording videos and use maybe ChatGPT to come up with some script and have some overlay or voiceover on your videos. And post and you need to be consistent in posting these videos on Instagram, on Facebook. This is how people will discover you, what you do, and they will support you. Tell me, what is some of the businesses that you have been thinking about that you know will not easily be replaced by AI? Share those in the comment section below. Maybe someone out there could read your comment and be encouraged to start them. So if you got any value in this video, I will appreciate it if you consider subscribing to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Hit that like button that YouTube can recommend this video to other people. And also consider joining our membership club by clicking the join button below. This is a club made up of people that are building something. People that are talking about businesses, people that are talking about excelling in life, people that are talking about how they can get better. So consider joining, and this is where also you can interact more with me. You can send messages to me, and also you can see the behind the scenes of me building this business, my exterior cleaning business. So I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.